Hi everyone, I'm Sonam. Welcome to my channel. Fevicryl recently released a new product. This is called Mod Podge. So I thought I should try this out and share my reviews with you. Mod Podge is a specialist glue for decoupage crafts. For the newbies out there who don't know what decoupage art is a French art and craft technique where objects are decorated with paper cutouts. It is a fun and easy way to decorate glass, wood, metal or plastic. This technique makes the pasted pictures look like they are actually painted. Decoupage glue is used to stick the pieces of paper on the surface. Now you will say that I can do that with the normal glue also. Why use this one? Well, you can not only use this to stick paper cutouts but also to seal and protect your decoupage art. Let's read the instructions. Step 1. Take substrate of your choice. Apply a base coat with acrylic color if required. Cut paper in an arrangement of your choice. Apply a thick, even layer of Mod Podge on the surface. Stick cut paper on the surface. Lightly run a finger or sponge to avoid air gaps. Step 4. Apply an even layer of Mod Podge over the stuck picture to seal and protect your artwork. So you see, first you have to stick your paper pieces on the surface and then you can cover it with a layer of Mod Podge and it will protect it and also give it a little glossy finish. First I'm going to try this on a drawing that I made on a piece of cardboard. Cardboard is basically thick paper, so we'll see the effects of Mod Podge on it. I am going to pour some Mod Podge on the side for easy applications. I should use a color palette or some other thing for this, but I'm too lazy to get up for it. As you can see, this is adding a glossy finish to this drawing. I don't like the way my brush marks are visible. I think I should use a softer brush because I'm using a brush with hard bristles. That's why I think it is creating these brush marks. Yay, it's done. I love the way it has given it the vintage finish. It looks like a very old drawing. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate my sketchbook. This is my first sketchbook. Usually I drew on rough papers, wedding cards. If you have seen my other videos, you know that I'm obsessed with wedding cards. So yeah, I use them in my artworks a lot. So this is my first proper sketchbook. And I want to decorate the cover page of it. Here I have this wedding card. It has beautiful floral pattern on it and I'm going to cut it and use it on the cover of my page. Here I have cut out all the pieces and now I'm going to paste it using this Mod Podge. I am going to apply Mod Podge on my cutout with a brush. I'm acting classy for you. Usually I just use my fingers. Now I'm going to add a layer of Mod Podge on the cutouts to give them a glossy finish and to protect them. One thing that I'm noticing is that if you touch it too soon, it gets translucent instead of being transparent, and it starts to come out the way glue does. So you should let it dry completely before touching it. Now I'm going to paint my name on it with acrylic color. And draw some dots on the sides to give it a complete look. I am so glad Fevicryl released this product. I know it already existed, but it was not available at my nearby shops, and I would have to order it online, and they charged me delivery fee, and I don't like paying delivery fee although it is a reasonable thing. There are so many other cool things you can create with this. I'm going to try them and I'll share them with you. As per my first reactions, I'd like to give you 2 tips. First, don't use hard bristled brushes because it might leave brush marks on your art. And second, don't touch it before it is completely dried because it will give it a little dirty, gluey look. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. I really hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.